On May 22nd, an Arizona Mormon mother of 7, Yanira Maldonado, and her husband Gary were riding on a bus in Mexico, returning from a funeral for her aunt in the state of Sinaloa, when the bus stopped at a military checkpoint in Hermosillo. After the soldiers boarded the bus, one of them claimed to have found marijuana under her seat, immediately arresting her. However, Maldonado claimed the Mary Jane was not hers. Not only does she not drink alcohol or smoke marijuana, she certainly doesn't smuggle it into the United States. Yanira was born and raised in Mexico but is a naturalized U.S. citizen. She began living in the U.S. at 26 or 27 years old and has gone back to visit family in Mexico every year, but has never had any prior difficulties in her travels until now. She's been married for 1 year to her husband and has 7 children and 2 grandchildren. The Arizona couple were the only American citizens on the bus. Regardless, police took her to jail, and an attorney advised her husband to come up with money to bribe the judge. The $5,000 he managed to quickly scrounge up was not enough, as the judge would not release Maldonado. She was taken to a Nogales jail, where she still sits today. According to her brother-in-law, Brandon Klippel, she was subjected to some interrogation techniques in order to get her to sign documents that may have included an admission of guilt. The jailers put her in a room with no air conditioning and woke her up throughout the night to intimidate her into signing. azfamily.com released images of the purported 12 pounds of marijuana found on the bus, which are 2 rather large, tightly packed rectangular packages. The Mexican authorities say the packages were strapped to the bottom and back of 2 of the bus seats with bungee cords, something that would no doubt have taken some time and effort on the part of whoever put them there. Yesterday, the soldiers that found the drugs did not show up to court, leading some to believe that there is not much of a case against Maldonado. Those 2 soldiers will be fined for not appearing. The judge reviewing the case is expected to render a decision by tomorrow.